guys, Dr. Cullen here from Healthworks Chiropractic. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about kids adjustments. Now, a lot of kids come in and they are a little scared because they don't know what to expect. So we walk them through as best we can, and we use an activator to adjust them. Now, with this activator, it's very low force. There's no cracking or popping associated with this adjustment. Now, we found that kids who come in, they get a little nervous. After their first adjustments, they love it and they are actually excited to come back in and get adjusted. Now, some common things we treat would be things such as headaches, even things like chronic ear infections. So if you'd like to come in, get your kid checked out, call us at 615-867-1144 and we'll get you in and get you all taken care of.